Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know who viewed your WhatsApp status secretly. It's really simple and easy. Let's quickly explain how WhatsApp shows you who viewed the status. When you post a status on WhatsApp, you can see a list of people who viewed it by simply swiping up on the screen. WhatsApp shows you the name of the viewers in real time. So as you can see here, go to updates and here is my status. Here, as you can see, when you swipe up, you can view all the viewers. However, if someone has turned off the read receipts or is using WhatsApp in a certain way, you may not be able to view them as viewer. Now let's talk about read receipts feature. When a person uses the status, you can see the name in the list of viewers. But what if they don't want you to know they have seen it? Well, they can turn off their own read receipts to stay anonymous. Here is how you can do that. Simply open settings, go to this privacy, and here you can find an option that says read receipts. Toggle that option off. While the setting is off, your view of the status will remain invisible to them as well. But the catch is that they won't be able to see who viewed their status either. Now, can WhatsApp show who viewed your status secretly? Open WhatsApp on your web and simply go to the status and just view the story as we did earlier. You can simply catch hidden viewers by checking the activity on WhatsApp web even if they have disabled read receipts. And that's pretty much it. That's how to know who viewed your WhatsApp status secretly. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.